Hey everyone, if you're planning your big day and want to add a personal unique touch to your wedding decor, well, you're in the right place. So today we're diving into how you can use Midjourney to design stunning centerpieces and decor elements that will leave your guests in awe. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you make your wedding day unforgettable. All right, let's get started. Let's kick things off with one of the most eye-catching elements of any wedding, the centerpieces. So instead of spending hours scrolling through Pinterest or splurging on expensive floral arrangements, well, you can use Midjourney to generate stunning personalized centerpiece ideas that perfectly match your wedding theme. So imagine you want a boho chic vibe with earthy tones and pompous grass. Well, here is the prompt you can use right here. There we go. Boho chic wedding centerpiece. Tall pampas or pampas grass in terracotta vases. Okay, adding that soft beige and cream dried flowers, eucalyptus leaves, and a rustic wooden table with macrame runner. And yep, the rest of the details are right here. I want the rendered images like 8K ultra realistic and has to be high detailed, focus on textures and lighting. Also, if you want to uh, adjust the image size right over here, let's say I want to go with this one right here, 3 by 4. And then here we go. Let's send this off right now. Okay. Let's see what Midjourney comes up with over here. So while it generates, just think about how these details can reflect your personality as a couple, whether it's through the color palette, the types of flowers, or even the materials used. All right, just give it a few seconds right here to let Midjourney finish off with the rendering process. Alrighty, there we go. As you can see right here, pretty stunning and very realistic to see with the rendered images. The combination of pampas grass and terracotta vases is really spot on, I must say. The textures are quite rich and the lighting gives it that cozy, intimate vibe. Just imagine these on your tables with your guests marveling at the beautiful personalized touch with this coming up in real life. See? Look at that. Next up, let's talk about signage. From welcome boards to table numbers right over here. These small details can really tie your theme together. They guide your guests, set the tone, and even so become beautiful keepsakes after the big day. Now, for a classic romantic theme, try this one, for instance. Okay, elegant wedding welcome sign, ornate gold vintage frame, white background, then delicate blush pink watercolor accents, elegant calligraphy font in gold foil, then floral border of roses and peonies in soft pastel colors, so on and so forth right here. And then 4K high resolution. And yep, same as that. So let's send this off right about now. Alrighty, let's see how Midjourney captures that timeless romantic feel with my prompt. So while it processes, just think about how you want your guests to feel the moment they walk in. Does this sign say fairy tale wedding or modern romance to you? So we'll see with the results. All right. Look at that. These are really gorgeous when this came out, each of them. Alrighty. See right here, the calligraphy and the floral borders really add that perfect touch of elegance. And also there's that gold foil detail really pop against the soft pastels, giving it a sophisticated yet warm feel. And same goes for this one. Yep, I like this. And another one, this one. I actually kind of like this one. Doesn't feel overwhelming for me. So just imagine your guests arriving and being greeted by this. Yeah, it's like stepping into a dream. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Let's create some personalized wedding favors. These little tokens of appreciation can be made extra special with custom designs from Midjourney. All right, and here's another example right over here. So whether it's labels for homemade candles, custom tags for gift bags, or personalized stickers, you can make them uniquely yours. So let's say for a rustic themed wedding favor label, you could use this prompt, for instance, made with a craft paper background texture, delicate floral border with wildflowers and greenery, and muted pastel tones, have handwritten cursive font in white ink, has a small heart icon at the bottom, vintage charm, and soft shadows and natural lighting with the image itself. And yep, 4K detail, focus on textures and handwritten details. All right, once more, let's see how the rendered images from Midjourney would come up with later on. Alrighty. So let's see how Midjourney interprets that rustic charm based off of the prompt we just sent in. Alrighty. We're almost done. Okay. Look at that. And yep, there it is. See, the labels right here, quite perfect. The craft, paper texture, and floral details with this one really add that homey touch. And then there's this handwritten font, which gives it a personal, heartfelt feel. All right, see the floral design. There's the handwritten font. And while the muted pastels keep it elegant. With this one, yep. So imagine these on your favors. Well, they'll be a hit with your guests. See, really stunning, I must say. And there you have it. Using Midjourney, you can create stunning personalized wedding decor that reflects your unique style without breaking the bank. From centerpieces to signage and favors, the possibilities are quite endless. Until next time, everybody, see ya.